how you make this card reveal in Elementor. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna open a container. Now look up for container. We're gonna give it a full width and we give it 60%. Okay, and we're gonna give it a VH of 55, and we're gonna make justify center, align item center. Okay, and the gap between the items, it's gonna be 20. Okay, and now we're gonna go to style and give it a color. We will take off this color later, it's just here for demonstration purposes. Okay, so any color you pick. Okay, and then we're gonna go to advanced and give it a CSS class. It will be this class, gsap fan. Okay, and then we're gonna go to add and we will add another container inside it. Okay, so we're gonna drag it and drop it over here, and we will give it a width of 300 pixel and a height of 350 pixel. Okay, and then we're gonna go to style, we'll give it a background. I'm gonna add an image. I will copy the image link over here, insert. Okay, I'm gonna give it center positioning, and display size, it should be cover. Okay, and I'm gonna give it border radius should be 20. Okay, and now we're gonna go back to the parent container over here, and we're gonna give it a CSS, custom CSS. Okay, we will pass the CSS over here, and we go back to the image container and go to advanced and give it a CSS class too, and it should be like this, gsap fan card. Okay, and then we're gonna duplicate and duplicate it again, and we're gonna change the image from here and go to style, from the navigation and go to style, choose another image and just put a new URL here. Okay, enter it, and then we're gonna go to the third container, do the same thing, go into style, choose image, delete the old email link and put the new link, insert. And then for the HTML part or the gsap part, okay, we're gonna go to plus button over here, we're gonna look up for HTML, we're gonna drag it and drop it inside the container, the parent container or the pink one. Okay, it should be here, and then we're gonna paste our gsap here. Now we copy the gsap, and here it is, the effect. And as you can see, every time I'm in the pink area, this effect will happen. So if I'm outside this area, the effect will go. That's why I keep it in this color. We can make it transparent so the effect will be cool. Just for as you told you, it's just for a demonstration. Okay, so whenever the mouse is over the pink area, the effect will happen. Okay, and we can control the area by controlling the size of the container. We can go to layout and we can make it smaller, like as you can see, and from the sides or the width we can make it 52. And as you can see, whenever the mouse hover over the pink area, the effect will happen. Okay, so let's make it transparent again, and this would be better. Okay, and this is how you make this effect, guys. I hope you like it.